Hi, Steve Stock again, your big boy Bay. And I think today we're just going to do something a bit low down, something a bit personal. I'm going for Buya by Kelvin Momo, Yolanda. We lost a star, man. So this is sort of like a semi-tribute and a deconstruct. So I'm just going to go in it fully and then out. So let's listen, absorb the song, and go crazy.
Yeah, just vibes, man. Shout out to Kelvin Momo and myself. Just let him know what time it is on the street. I'm joking, I'm sorry, I'm not that person. Anyways, yeah, let's go.
So firstly, the song, not your typical progressions, not at all. The song, the intro part, which is a bit tricky, but the intro part will go with a simple progression. So we're going to go from 4 to 6. So the song will be like 4, then sharp, The first part, the chorus part, has it's a 4 chord progression. So we start at 2, 4, then 6. 2, 4, 6. Then we go to 3. Then it's 4 again. One more time. 2, 4, 6. Then 3. Then 4. Right? That's the first part, right? And then the other, that part will start at 6, 5, 4. Then sharp 4. Then 7. Then sharp 6. Again, 6, 5, 4. Sharp 7. Then 2. Right. Now, there's a couple of keys we actually want to go into depth because even though I'm saying the numbers, the chords of self are very colored. So the first one that I actually want to talk about is on the chorus. So it's that, the 5 here on the chorus, right? We don't hit the 5 like a normal 5 because listen how it sounds between the two 5s. So I'm going to hit a normal 5 on the first bar and then I'm going to hit the proper 5 that they're knocking there. And that's your dominant 7-5 that I believe. Yes, it should be a dominant 7. Yeah, it's a dominant 7-5, right? So basically what happens is that on the first one, let's listen on the normal major chord on 5. See, it sounds So it doesn't even give that tension towards that we're moving to the 4. But now if we color it and make our 5 dominant 7, we're going to get something like this. See? See? Now, the second weird chord that we're going to look at is our sharp 4. There's 2 ways to play them. You can play them straight on the diminished. So, Camila, there's 4. See, and this gives a much more diminished sound, so much more prominent developing sound, right? And from there, we can move to 7, then sharp 6, right? But that sharp 4, you can play it another way. Instead of playing it with a normal diminished chord, you can play it with I think it's 11th chord, but we hold in a major 7th open chord on our right hand, and then we hold in a sharp 4, sharp 4 on our left hand. So it will sound something more like this when we hit the sharp 5. So start back from the chorus part, the first beginning part, it's going to be 6, 5, 4. Now, see, this gives a very pleasant, sweet sound, not too domineering like your dominance, right? Your diminished right here. So it's, then we go to 7. And then when we hit our sharp 6, we can hit our sharp 6 as the normal chord like this. But it sounds too dominant. It wants you to hear the sound. So what we do is that we can substitute this chord with the 2 chord. very clean, very nice. It gives that nice harmonic flow. And the reason why we actually substitute with our 2, because of the song itself actually goes to 2. It's just that they switch between the basses. So on the first bar of the chorus, they'll hit sharp 7, but on the second bar of the chorus, they'll hit 2. So it'll be like this, all in all. Sharp 6, with 2 on our right hand. Hit that 2. I love the song. I wish I could have heard more from her and just that combination, but we got what we got and we just have to appreciate it. So it's been deconstructed for you guys. If you have any questions, man, I'll try to answer them next time. But yeah.